Hey, what's going on everyone? So today I'm just taking you through the damage on these oil catch can mounts that I made. Took this one from the Nissan on a track day, and this one was just in my BM for about a year. Same with this one. These are both PETG, and as you've seen, they have warped quite badly. This one's leaning all the way down, and this one with the Nissan, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a bit of a crack there, and it's also bent this whole thing down. It's supposed to be sitting flush inside here. So what I've printed up here is some ABS plastic mounts. So PETG I think has glass transition of around 70 degrees and ABS about 85 or so. Could be mistaken. But bottom line is ABS melts at a higher temperature, so I'm hoping that installing these into the car will improve the, let's say, temperature resistance. So yeah, just a small update for you guys. Don't use PETG. If it's all you have, it will work. I mean, this one hasn't cracked and it's just bent a little bit. So it will fail slowly. Even this one, I mean, the edge here is catching, so it's not really going to bend any further. It's still connected there, so that's pretty good. But ideally, try and use ABS, which is what I'm updating to. And then just an update on the on these wheel caps. I took this car to the track day, as I said, and because of the high temperature of the brakes, all except this one melted and fell out, and this one was on its way to falling out, so I just removed them. So I don't think I'm going to put them back. In future I might try some higher temperature plastic if I can find for a 3D printer. If not, might just run without it, because I can see that generates a bit too much heat there in the hub. But yeah, that's it for today. Just wanted to update you guys on the oil catch cans. These are smoothed with acetone. That's why they look so nice and shiny. So yeah, small update there. Thanks guys. Cheers.